Hi my friends and welcome back. I am Naomi. And today, I want to share a look that feels classic and very elegant. I am wearing my white strap heels with black reinforced pantyhose. And I really love the strong contrast between these two pieces. The white heels look clean and bright, while the black pantyhose bring a soft, mysterious tone together. They create a combination that feels powerful but still feminine. I enjoy this kind of look because it feels simple and timeless, at balance between light and dark that always catches the eye every time I see these colors together. It reminds me why I love mixing opposites. It makes the outfit more interesting and graceful. This try-on is all about keeping it elegant, smooth, and easy to enjoy. So let's relax and have a nice time together in this new session. The white strap heels have a simple and elegant design that I always enjoy. They give that light, clean look that makes the outfit feel open and bright. I like how the straps hold the foot gently and how the shape keeps everything stable even with the high heel. The white tone reflects the light beautifully and brings that feeling of freshness that makes every step feel special. It is a type of heel that always looks delicate and graceful, and it gives me that soft, confident posture that I love so much. The black reinforced pantyhose add a completely different texture. They feel smooth and strong at the same time, and the color gives a beautiful contrast against the white heels. They have that semi-opaque tone that keeps the legs elegant without showing too much. I like the small reinforced detail at the toes because it makes them practical and a little classic. They feel firm and soft, and I enjoy how they shape the legs, giving a nice even finish from top to bottom. The black tone keeps everything polished and timeless. It is that kind of look that never goes out of style. When I put both pieces together, the result feels balanced and powerful. The contrast between the white and the black creates that clean visual line that makes the legs look longer and more elegant. It is a combination that always works because it mixes simplicity with character. And that is exactly what I love in fashion, a soft, elegant touch with a little bit of strength and attitude. What I like the most about this look is how confident it feels. The white strap heels bring that elegant brightness that makes the outfit stand out, and the black reinforced pantyhose keep everything strong, smooth, and classic together. They give a mix that feels calm, but also very powerful. It is not about showing too much, it is about keeping a clean contrast that always looks stylish and timeless. The balance between light and dark feels modern and elegant at the same time. That is something I really enjoy. I think this kind of combination always reminds me that simple pieces can still make a big impression. The white heels keep the energy soft and positive, and the pantyhose bring the structure and depth that complete everything. It feels comfortable, easy, and full of character. I really like how natural it looks in the end. It is a mix that I would choose again for many moments. If you like this try-on, remember to leave your like and subscribe so you can see all my next videos. I love reading your comments, so tell me what styles or colors you want to see next. Thank you for being here with me and for sharing another nice and elegant session. This is Naomi, and I send you a big smile. Until next time.